Problem 66, we have the log of a quotient, so we're going to go ahead and rewrite that as the difference of the logs. Log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. Base is 4. The numerator now, the argument now in the first expression is in radical form. We want to always rewrite our arguments in exponential form. Good thing we had that unit just before this unit here. Changing one thing at a time here. We'll leave the second expression alone for now. And then what I do notice is that might as well do it now. Might as well go ahead and rewrite the argument here as log of 4 of x to the 5 times 1/2 or 5/2, and then y to the 7 times 1/2 or 7/2. So again, I either bring the 1/2 out front and then multiply it through later, or we can multiply it through right now. And then noticing that we have the log of a product here, and then also another log of a product. So what we're going to do is expand each of those logs. Log base 4 of x to the 5/2 plus log base 4 of y to the 7/2 minus. Now you got to be careful over here. The minus sign in front, you're going to spread out this log expression. You're going to have to distribute the minus sign. So we have the log base 4 of z plus the log base 4 of w to the 4th, and that's in parentheses. And what I will do here is I'll bring out the, let's see if we can do this all at once. So we're going to get our exponents, our powers, and we're going to bring them out and multiply by the logs. We're going to bring them out front. This exponent as well we're going to bring out front, but we're also going to distribute this minus sign. I hope this isn't too much at once, but I'm going to distribute the minus sign as well as bringing that 4 out front. We're going to do this all in one last step. So we rewrite the first term as 5/2 times the log base 4 of x. The second term, we bring the 7/2 out. We write 7/2 times the log base 4 of y minus now the log base 4 of z, and then minus. Don't forget the minus sign gets distributed to this one, but then also we're going to take that 4 and we're going to bring it out to the front, and that is it. That's as expanded as we are going to get.